Hey guys, it's Little Fact, and we're gonna be doing ladybug hunting and more.
A little birdie.
We're gonna try to find stuff and stuff and butterflies maybe.
Okay, so
So the idea of this video was because we found a ladybug right now, well, we just thought of it.
and also this week was Haley in Southern California, and our wall it went down.
It's broke.
But don't worry, guys. We got our subscriber fence.
Yes, our new friend.
We got Blanca
Our
Rubio,
mini cabin outside.
Marixa, Crash King, Hey, Lele, Lisbeth, and Maria Alonso. Hey, I want to tell you something. We're adding you here because you have to make us more stress balls, please. Okay, so let's go ladybug hunting.
Yep. See you guys.
Maybe a little snap will take us over.
See ya.
Okay, let's check out this grass first. There's lots of nature here, birdies. Don't eat our ladybugs, guys. No. It got worm.
It did?
Yeah.
Ew. Okay, we're not searching for worms. It's right there. The birdies. Oh, it has a little chin of
Nature.
We could
So everybody be quiet, and we're just gonna do like,
worms.
be quiet. Shh. Be quiet.
So the birds
Get
don't fly away.
out. Get out of the way. So it's gonna be like not
Look at
talking.
the green grass.
We're not gonna talk right now. For now, it's just gonna be like a little nature thing. So yeah.
Yep.
Now let's go find.
So the most ladybugs are in there, and we haven't checked it yet. So
Such a beautiful day.
maybe that's an anthill or something.
Maybe worms. Oh, this is birdie. Hello, birdie.
Look at all
Maybe
the
go out
baby
in
birds.
back of me just so you cannot.
Enter the nature field of ladybugs. There's mostly a lot here. Okay, everyone, try not to step on something bright with color.
Peace and quiet, please, okay?
So the ladybug doesn't fly away.
No, because I'm going to nature. So yeah, it's very fresh. Such a beautiful day today.
Doesn't seem like there's that much.
But you know where all the clovers are? They're kind of like always in there.
Yeah, it looked like there's something bright in here, but I don't think so. So let's see. Let's go to the clovers.
What's
Keep
that like
your
a-
eye out.
Oh, there's a purple flower. Hello, are you here for spring? Guess so. So beautiful.
Dun, dun, dun.
Nature lives here. Moles, huh? Oh, he's a. Wait, no.
Those are some fat moles. Where's all the flowers?
Ah! Oh, it scared me. Oh, there's a blue flower right there. Oh, I can't really. Okay, move. I like doing like pink. I love spring because sometimes,
blue flower.
because sometimes mushrooms live
Oh,
here.
remember last time we found all like purple flowers?
Yeah, I saw one right now.
Maybe we can go in the front.
Don't worry, that's just like, yeah. But sometimes,
Nature is hard to get.
sometimes like the morning are so pretty, and then mushrooms sometimes grows.
I think the
Bees come. So let's go back.
Okay. But still, keep your eye out.
Doo-doo.
Nature is good.
Well, nature's always been with us, just that.
Yeah.
It's much beautiful, so
Yeah.
beautiful.
And it's gonna bring more animals.
So we're going to tent. Last time when we were at school, we saw a ladybug. It landed on me. I'm like, ew, disgusting. Ugh, get it off me. 'Cause I hate ladybugs. Shh. I like showing where the.
That's the house of the bee. I'm the queen of bees. She's the queen.
A bee. Nature. Woo. Wait, stop. Wait.
I want a Toshi.
Nature. Be quiet, guys. Shh, be quiet.
Don't get stung, please.
Shh, be quiet. I want you to do something. Shh, be quiet.
Is that a female?
I'm recording it.
Oh, poor bee. I don't like bees. One time it sting me in the pool.
Oh yeah, that's the worst part in the pool.
Well, not exactly in the pool, but
Bye,
I
bee.
put my feet in it, and then it landed on my goggles, and I thought it was just a fly, right? And then I tried to take it off, and then it went on my finger, and I tried to get it off, and then it just stung me.
The view is going on like this. So like, why don't we go to the front, but just don't talk, just be like, shh. Oh.
Wait, where's the bee? Come back, bee. Got a flower for you. I don't want to get some flowers. Okay, so let's go to the.
I'm gonna pause it for you guys. So we're here. Shh, let's look at the flowers. But be quiet, okay? Tell you, spring is here. So ready? Be quiet now. Come on. Now what? You can talk now, guys.
Wait, not yet.
I can't believe. Go check out our Halloween video. And look at this bush while we're recording it. It did not have any flowers.
Oh yeah. It's a rose bush.
And look,
Guys, I found a
still here. No.
guys, I found a rare bug in my hand.
Come on, let's go. Let's go,
And I
Soji.
didn't break it apart.
Shh, guys.
Look at these flowers.
Oh yeah, but just be quiet. I'm doing just like a little video. Come on, guys, go under the tree. Mom, can you stand like for me? Maddie, can you stand like right here? Like right here? Right here where I am. So just stay in there. So yeah. Don't stay still there.
If you guys enjoyed the video, How at the Moon. Oh, bye.